Hey guys, Marsad here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can quickly remove a background from your image using a free tool that is so easy to use. So the tool is called REMOVE.BG, and to use that one, you just have to simply, using your phone, go to your browser. It doesn't matter what browser it is, may it be Chrome, Opera, Mozilla, or Safari. In my case, I'm using an iPhone. I'm just gonna use Safari. So you just tap on your browser, and on the search bar, you just type in REMOVE.BG. So you click on www.remove.bg, and you don't have to do anything. This is very straightforward. You don't have to log in or sign up. What you can do is just simply upload the image that you want the background to be removed. So we tap on upload image and go to the library or the photo library. Then just select on the photos and then just wait for the system to remove the background. And this is the preview of the photo with the background removed. It's so easy to use. It's just take you 5 seconds for the background of your photo to be removed. Then after that, you just tap on the picture and you either download it or just what I do is so easy. I just tap on add to photos. So when I go to my photos photo folder, here it is, the photo with the removed background. It's on a PNG format. So say for example I want to make a YouTube thumbnail using PixArt. So this is the tool or the app that I usually use in making my YouTube thumbnail. So I'm just gonna click on PixArt and then tap the plus icon, and then I'm gonna choose a background right here. There are free backgrounds, and just say for example I want to use this one. So I'm just gonna click or tap on tools. This will resize. Using crop, we are going to resize the background into a YouTube thumbnail size, and then apply, and there we go. And then on the bottom part, we just tap on add photo, and there's our removed background, and there you have it. So from the photo with a beach background comes this one. So there you have it, REMOVE.BG. It's so easy to use. And then you click on save. There you have it, from that photo with a beach background and the pool background to this photo. So that's how you can easily remove a background from the image that you have using a free tool, and it's so easy to use. It's just take you seconds to do it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you find content like this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.